Hey there! Have you ever wished your everyday tasks could just do themselves? Well, now it can. With Infuze AI's smart return label bot that transforms completely the return label creation process, saving time and streamlining your workflow, all at the click of a button. First, simply click Choose File in our bot interface and upload the Excel file containing your return label data. Once your file is uploaded, just hit the Proceed button and our intelligent bot takes over. It extracts the data and automatically fills in all required fields on the website with unmatched speed and accuracy. No more manual copy-pasting, no errors, just clean, organized data ready for the next step. Next, the bot instantly generates and purchases the return label, preparing it for printing so it's ready for your use. And here's where it gets even better. Once the processing is done, the bot automatically searches for the PO number in your admin panel and sends the return email directly to your customer. Fully done, fully automated. Stop wasting hours on manual returns. Deploy the Infuze AI return label bot today and get back to growing your business.